In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Printify shipping with Shopify. Setting up print-on-demand services can seem a bit complicated initially, but don't worry because we're here to make it easy and straightforward for you. Let's start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. From here, you want to locate and click on Settings, which you typically find at the bottom left of the screen. This takes you to a page filled with various settings options for your store. The next step is to focus on shipping and delivery, located within the left-hand side menu under the Settings section. Click on this option, and you'll be presented with everything you need to manage your shipping settings. Now scroll down slightly until you see a section called App Shipping Profiles. Within this section, you should see that your Printify print-on-demand profile is already listed. Printify takes care of many complexities by automatically providing shipping rates for every supported country, so you don't need to waste time setting each one up manually. However, it's important to note that some locations might not have shipping options available during checkout. If you intend to ship to these locations, you'll need to add those zones and rates manually. This ensures that customers won't run into any issues when trying to order from those regions. Once you've checked the automatic options, go ahead and click on General Shipping Rates, which you can find slightly further down this settings page. Here, hover down to the section indicating not shipping from these locations and specifically look for the Printify app. This area will help you identify regions where shipping isn't currently configured. Now comes the part where you might need to add new rates manually. For this, click on the option that says Add Rates. Following this, you'll select Create New Rate. At this point, you can add your desired countries or regions where you want to ship your products. Input the custom rates in accordance with Printify's shipping guidelines, making sure they align with what's feasible for you and your customers. Once you've configured everything, don't forget to save your changes. You're all set. Your Printify shipping is now synchronized with Shopify, ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your customers. You've successfully managed both automatic rates and custom zones for previously unsupported locations. Thanks for following along and happy selling.